Okay, so I'm back under my car, my truck, 2005 Nissan Titan. So this was being a little bit tricky getting this transmission filter back on with these nuts over here. Because like I said, these nuts, they just push all, these bolts that come down, they just go all the way back through if you push on them. So what you got to do is you got to use this transmission filter to help you kind of lock this bolt in place. So you want to kind of move it to where it locks this in place, and it'll hold it so that way you can get this nut on here, which I just did that with this one, so it might. So you just want to hold it like that up against there, thread it on. Okay, now we can take make sure it's going in the right direction I want it to go in, and do the same thing probably. Is just, you know, hold it till it gets nice and tight. Okay, so these, once they tighten up, then, you know, it'll get a lot easier. Alright, so that's how you get those nuts back on there, and you don't have to, you want to make sure all these are aligned. So that's, you know, kind of have them loose on there right now until you get these bolts in. You don't want them too tight, otherwise it'll be harder to get these bolts aligned with this filter. So you never want to bolt something all the way on, even your tires and stuff. So you get all the bolts in, everything is in and threaded, and then you can start torquing it down. So, alright, so I'll have to bolt those in and then I'll get back to you. Bye.